If you're ever looking for a ribbing alternative, I recommend trying this stitch pattern. It's easy to do, even for beginner knitters, and it gives amazing results. Both sides are beautiful, no matter what you use it for. It looks great, with one side having a bit of a 3D effect. It is stretchy and does not curl at all. This beautiful, stretchy ribbing pattern shows a textured surface on both sides, even if they aren't identical. It is a perfect alternative to ribbing and ensures that the fabric maintains its appearance and texture regardless of which side is showing. Very easy to knit, even for beginners. The pattern is 2 stitches by 2 rows. Ideal for projects where both sides will be visible, such as scarves or blankets. Let's see how to knit it.